Hey guys, what is up? Today we're going to see how long it takes me to paint this one bedroom apartment. It's approximately 700 square feet. So will it be 2 hours or 2 days? Stick around and find out. Alright guys, so we have this unit that needs paint. Normally I don't get out and paint too much, but we're backed up and this needed to be done. They have a move-in date already and they have to get flooring and stuff in here. So I'm out here, it's Sunday, and I want to see how fast we can get this done because I like going back to the guys and saying, hey, I did this faster than you guys. So let's see. This is about 700 square feet. Approximately, I don't know for sure the floor plan, but we're changing the wall color. We're doing a gray color, and then the trim and doors will be a white color. So we're gonna try to knock it out in about 6-7 hours, and it's all gonna be by hand. I'm not gonna spray. I don't usually pull out a sprayer for something as small as this. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do it by hand in one day. First, to start, I am going to remove all the outlet covers so that make sure the paint behind there, fill any holes, any cracks that we have. It's not too bad. Take off the blinds, and they aren't doing ceilings in here. They're just leaving them the color. But so we're gonna start off with the outlets, the caulking, and then after that we are going to cut in around the top. And then we'll cut in around the bottom and the corners. And lastly, we'll roll. Then we'll do the white. And then if it needs a second coat, we'll come back and do a second coat. So let's get started. All right, so before we start, my beautiful babies, it's 10:44. And I'll show you guys when I'm done what time it is. So let's do it. Alright guys, we've got everything ready to go, so we're going to start with the cutting in at the top. All the tops and corners, around the vents, around the door frames. And we got the bottom done. Now, secret sauce on the bottom, we used 6-inch rollers since the trim is going to be repainted anyways. It doesn't matter if we get it dirty. So we used a 6-inch roller to go all the way around the bottoms. And it took about 10 minutes to do the whole thing compared to like 2 hours to do the top and around the doors because we had to do it by hand. Alright, so next I'm going to take the same 6-inch roller and I'm going to do all the small areas, small closets in the kitchen where there's a lot of little weird angles, and the bathroom where it's the same thing, a lot of little weird angles. And it's actually a lot faster than you think with the 6-inch, but I'll show you the areas that we're going to. So we're going to do all these little weird areas right here with the 6-inch. All right, guys, we are done with the small areas, so we're gonna jump onto the big areas, and I'm using a Purdy Colossus, and this is a custom size. It was an 18-inch, but I let it get dry on the sides, and so I had to chop off like 3 inches on each side, so it's like 13 inches or something like that. But they do have these in, I believe, 14-inch, 18-inch, 9-inch. So this is perfect because it's not too heavy. So let's go ahead and get started. It is now 1:43. Hold on. 1:43 p.m. All right, so 3 hours to do the cut-in everywhere, and then the kitchen and the bathroom small areas. So we're gonna roll. It should take about 45 minutes to get everything rolled, and then we'll start on the white. By the way, I got lucky here. They don't have carpet. They had ripped it all out, so I don't have to cover any floors or use a drop cloth. If you do, make sure you use a drop cloth. I just have to worry about this tile over here and in the bathroom little areas, but this is where quality tools come into play. Good rollers that don't drip too much. And then I'm trying to see how fast I can do it. I have a wet rag in case I drip anywhere, but look, this is how much I've gotten on my hands from the actual roller. From everything I've rolled, so not a lot at all. And so there shouldn't be a lot. And we're gonna go ahead and roll. Next I'm going to start on the door frames, which is usually what takes the longest out of the white, and we'll go ahead and get those taken care of. Alright guys, we got the trim done everywhere. Alright, so I'm going to do the windowsills because I just realized I forgot them. Alright guys, there you have it. done. It is 5:53 p.m. and I just gotta clean up my stuff and load up. I'll show you guys around. Alright guys, so there you have it. We did it in 11:45, 12:45, 1, 2, 3, 4, 7 hours, right? Yeah, so there you have it, 7 hours and 15 minutes approximately, minus a 30-minute lunch. So 6 hours and 45 minutes to paint a 1-bedroom apartment, walls, doors, trim, color change. So, not bad guys. We're gonna clean up and head out. So, if you like the video, if you wanna see more videos like this, let me know down below in the comments. Hit that like and subscribe if you would consider it. It really helps out the channel. And again, let me know what you think. Thanks for watching guys.